How to send a message to seller on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can send a message to seller on Etsy. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Etsy account just like I have done here. And then once you're on your Etsy account, you'll be brought to the home page, right? On this page, you can see a variety of products that you can get. So note that not all products has the feature of you sending a message to the seller. But if you want to send a message to the seller, you would have to select a product and then select the listing. All right. So once you've selected the products, for example, if it's this product that I just selected, you'll be directed to the listings page. Okay, so once you're on this page, you can now scroll down where you will see more details about the page, about the product. You can see the kind of jewelry it is. You can select material. You can click on buy now. You can also click on add to cart or add to collection, and then you can see details, if it's handmade, if it's bronze, the kind of style. And then once you can see all of this, scroll down until you can see the option meet seller. All right, once you can see the option meet seller, just under it you'll see the kind of seller, and then you can now see message, the name of the seller. That is, the name of the seller will be displayed. Once you can see, they just click on message, and once you click on message and it has loaded, a window will be displayed by the right side of the screen, and here you can see details. Typically responds within a few hours, and then here you cannot tap on the search box and then type out your message. You can type out any question you have, or you can ask anything that you want to know. So this is basically how you can message seller on Etsy. Very, very direct. You don't need to go through any other process besides all of this. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.